Hello everybody, welcome back to this new tutorial. Today we're gonna show you how to set up or change things, knowing what to do with these starting lights assets. First of all, of course, this tutorial will work with the minus starting lights assets as well, as they use the identical scripts and functions. The only difference is that one is lower and this one is higher. Because the minus starting lights should be used, like for example, if you are P20, you wouldn't see this thing. So you just put a minus starting light in front of P20, and so all drivers can see the lights, and the commands will run simultaneously, so it's functional. First of all, this is the model you get when dragging the file onto Roblox Studio. And we open it and let's see, these are the parts that I added myself. So this is the sponsor part with a texture. Of course, you can change it depending on what sponsor you use. And then we have the ports for everything. It's a simple design. Of course, you can change it. You can make it however you want. This is just a quick design. It's still quite realistic and functional. So going onto the actual lights, this is the model. First, you see the README with some quick instructions on the commands that you can run. So you got start, red, green, formation lab, and clear. And yeah, you see modified by these are credits. Please don't change it. Thanks. We've got the rear model, which actually is not like rear or anything. It's just the proper lights model. And what you want to change, if you want to change the script, is in the model. It's this script here. But before getting to the script, I want to say that a key to understand the script is that from red 1 to red 5, you've got the upper row of the lights, while red 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are the lower row of lights. And of course, red 1 corresponds to red 6, red 2 to red 7, and so on, to make it simpler. Now, going on to the script, first of all, this script, I think it's like fully made by me, just so how the previous script worked and try to make something equal that would function. And so we've got here, these are for making the script understand which parts to change, which parts to modify. So you don't have to change these at all. And also you don't have to change these names here, otherwise he won't recognize these names and the whole script will break eventually. So the function works, as you can see, with messages written in chat, and this is to make it work. And then we've got the various functions of the comments. We've got the S message that will make the normal start procedure, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 goes. So this is very important, as will make all the all the lights black just before the rest of the command runs. And then I'll show you why it's very important to keep this thing and to not delete it. Then we've got red 1 and red 6, so the first two lights will go red, which 21 is the code color for red, and 1003 of course is the code for black. Then after 1 second, even the red 2 and red 7 will go red, and then after 1 second, red 3 and red 8, and so on, until all 5 lights are red. Now you can change this number here. This is a preset number I made. 4 seconds, kind of simple. And after after oh my god, after 4 seconds, every all the lights will go black again. So the race is started. Of course, you can change this number. For example, an idea would be to put a random number each race. So it's actually something about reactions. Otherwise, race by race, you kind of can predict when the lights will go black. Then you've got the formation lab message, which this is very a bit confusing, but basically, the 1020 is the code for the green color. So red 1 and red 6 will go green. So only the first two lights. The rest, as you can see, will stay black. After 5 seconds, but of course you can make it lower, all the lights will go green and the formation lap has started. Of course, you can change the colors. For example, I think it would be a bit more functional to put that red 1 and red 6 go red instead of green. But we can do however you want to and change this to only 1 second. You can change the script however you want. Then you've got the G function, the R function, and the C function that are the simplest ones. G function will make all the lights, not all the lights, just the upper row of the lights, or the lower row of the lights, okay, the lower, will make them green, while the upper row will stay black. Instead, the R function will make the upper row red, and the lower row will stay black. And of course, with the C command, everything will go black again. This is useful, I don't know, for example, if you got to end the session, you put red first, then after a bit you put C, so everything goes black again. And pretty much that's it for the theoretical part. Now going into practice things. Um, why did I put like that at the start of the script, the lights go black? Let me show you with a simple example. For example, in the G function, you can see these go green and this go black. So if I delete part of the script that makes them black, and I do the same here, yeah, let me show you what will happen if I run these two commands one after each other. Okay, so I run G, and everything is normal, and then I run R, and as you can see, nothing is normal now. So what the script does is that, okay, clear. If I put G, okay, it's all okay, okay. Then if I put R, it'll change these lights here, the green ones. It will change them to black and the upper ones to red. One thing that you want to notice is that while you are running the S command or the fastest lab, the formation lab command, there is a bug that can occur. But to prevent this bug, I just need to put a lot more lines of code. So just restart the race, restart the procedure if this happens. Okay, this is what I meant. So for example, someone writes G or R or red or C while the S or FL command is running. Even if the S and FL together thing. Yeah, but yeah, it bugs a lot. So also keep in mind that the clear command won't stop the fastest lap, the formation lap, and start, as you can see. So these are the bugs you have to know of. But apart from this, you shouldn't have too many problems. That's it. Of course, if by the manual starting lights, everything is the exact same. And also keep in mind that everyone basically can run these commands. I don't know yet how to put a mod list for charter commands, so that's why I didn't put it.